This viral dumpling lasagna is the perfect solution for those of us that love dumplings but are a little intimidated by the process. We're going to start with a pound of ground pork, some chopped green onions, some minced garlic, some grated ginger. I put a Trader Joe's spin, of course, so we're going to use 4 tablespoons of soyaki, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili onion crunch, some white or black pepper. Give it a mix. You don't want to over mix it. And then we're going to start our layers. My wonton wrappers, I dip mine in chicken broth. You can use water. I just wanted the chicken broth for a little extra flavor. And then we're going to do a layer of our pork mixture, another layer of our wonton wrappers, dipping each one individually into that broth or water, another layer of the pork. So I had enough to do 3 layers of the pork. Here's our third. And then we're going to top it off with a final layer of those wonton wrappers, a couple tablespoons of chicken broth, and then let's get it into a steamer. If you don't have one, I just had a little dish at the bottom just to elevate my baking dish. Fill it up with water, get it steaming for 25 minutes. Now here it is. I'm finishing it off with some more sayaki, some of the chili onion crunch. I am even using the chili onion crunch seasoning instead of sesame seeds, which you can use, some more green onions, and here you have it. Absolutely delicious. I was so pleasantly surprised with how easy this is. The flavors were 100% on point. Enjoy.